Good afternoon, students. This is Mahendra, lecturer in mathematics. Today we are going to discuss one topic: inverse Laplace transform of partial fractions. We have already done this type of partial fraction problems in first year. Let us discuss once again. Do these problems. Inverse Laplace transform of partial fractions. So first of all, find the L inverse of 3s plus 13 divided by s square plus 4s plus 3. Okay, here 3s plus 13 divided by s square plus 4s plus 3 is a proper fraction. So we have to decide this fraction divided into two proper fractions. Okay, now s square plus 4s plus 3, okay, which is a quadratic expression, okay, resolve into two factors, okay, so that is s plus 1 into s plus 3. Okay, 3s plus 13 divided by s plus 1 into s plus 3, which is a proper fraction. Okay, in the denominator we have two factors, so we can written as a divided by first linear factor plus b divided by second linear factor, assume as a equation 1. Now we have to find out the values of a and b by using LCM. Okay, 3s plus 13 divided by s plus 1 into s plus 3 is equal to a into s plus 3 plus b into s plus 1 divided by s plus 1 into s plus 3. By cancellation of denominators are same, so we have to cancel this denominator values. So we get 3s plus 13 is equal to a into s plus 3 plus b into s plus 1, assume as equation 2. Here we have to find out the values of a and b, okay, by using trial and error method. So first we have to find out the value of a, so we can written as s plus 1 is equal to 0, s is equal to minus 1. Put s is equal to minus 1 in equation 2, we get 3 into minus 1 plus 13 is equal to a into minus 1 plus 3 plus b into minus 1 plus 1. Okay, minus 3 into minus 1 is minus 3 plus 13, that is 13 minus 3, that is 10. Okay, 3 minus 1, that is 2, a into 2, minus 1 plus 1 get cancelled, b into 0 0. Okay, 2a is equal to 10, then a is equal to 10 by 2, we get a is equal to 5. Now find the value of b. Okay, same here also same apply trial and error method. S plus 3 is equal 0, s is equal minus 3, so we have to apply put s is equal 3 minus 3 in equation 2. Okay, in equation 2 we get 3 into minus 3 plus 13 is equal to a into minus 3 plus 3 plus b into minus 3 plus 1. Okay, 3 into minus 3 is minus 9 plus 13 minus 9 is okay, 13 minus 9 is 4, 13 minus 9 is 4, a into 0 is 0 plus b into minus 3 plus 1, that is minus 2. Okay, therefore minus 2b is equal 4, therefore b is equal to 4 by minus 2, 2 1s are 2 2s are, so we get b is equal to minus 2. Okay, now substitute the values of a and b in equation 1. Okay, substitute the values of a and b in equation 1, we get 3s plus 13 divided by, okay, 5 divided by s plus 1 plus minus 2 divided by s plus 3. Okay, apply inverse Laplace transform on both sides. Okay, we have to find out the values of L inverse of 3s plus 13 divided by s plus 1 into s plus 3. So we have to apply inverse Laplace transform on both sides. We get L inverse of 3s plus 13 divided by s plus 1 into s plus 3 is equal to L inverse of 5 divided by s plus 1 minus 2 divided by s plus 3. Inverse Laplace transform of a function is equal to sum of the inverse Laplace transform. Okay, 5 into L inverse of 1 by s plus 1 minus 2 into L inverse of 1 by s plus 3. Okay, here according to the standard formula, inverse Laplace transform of 1 by s plus ci is equal to e power minus at. So we can written as L inverse of 1 by s plus 1 is equal to e power minus t minus 2 into L inverse of 1 by s plus 3 is equal to e power minus 3t. Therefore L inverse of 3s plus 13 divided by s plus 1 into s plus 3 is equal to 5 into e power minus t minus 2 into e power minus 3t. This is the required solution. Okay, practice once again. Thank you.